Hello, so this is the PC Workshops Python Basics course. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to check to see if a file is in existence on your operating system. So the way that we're going to do that is I'm going to import OS for operating system. I'm going to again create my file name like this with double backslashes for describing the path. And I equate my path to the variable file name, and I now use os.path exists and file name. So I say if os.path.exist file name, print file exists, else file does not exist. The reason why I would like to do that is maybe if I wanted to create a new file, I want to see if it's there already. So this is how you would check to see if a file is already in existence on your computer's hard drive or on your filing system. You see, it's very simple.